Escape. The Internet, a vast network of connections and information, relies heavily on the domain name system. But in this expanse, there are hidden pitfalls. Cybercriminals have learned to exploit DNS, turning this critical system into a weapon against unsuspecting users. Here's how they do it, illustrated through a few notorious malware examples. ViperSoft X. Think of ViperSoft X as a crafty pickpocket who uses a fake street sign to lead you into an alley where they can steal your wallet. This malware tricks your computer into connecting with a harmful website by misusing DNS. It's often hidden in software downloaded from less reputable sources, stealing your personal information like cryptocurrency or manipulating your web browser without you noticing. Darkgate. Darkgate is like a deceptive flyer, always trying different tricks. It can disguise itself as a harmless document, tricking you into downloading harmful software. Once inside, it uses DNS to secretly communicate with its masterminds, stealing sensitive information like your passwords or bank details. Dirty Mo. Imagine Dirty Mo as a master of disguises, constantly changing appearance to avoid being caught. This malware rapidly alters its digital face, using DNS, making it harder for security experts to track and stop it. Its harmful activities range from taking over your computer for cryptocurrency mining to launching attacks on other systems. Krakenosh. Picture Krakenosh as a sneaky mechanic who tampers with your car while pretending to fix it. Hidden within illegal cracked versions of popular software, it secretly uses your computer to mine cryptocurrency, benefiting the attackers. It cleverly communicates with its control center using DNS, staying hidden from security measures. Each of these malware families showcases a different way DNS can be abused, affecting everyday users in various harmful ways. Avast's proactive approach. At Avast, we're like digital guardians, always a step ahead in safeguarding your online journey. Our state-of-the-art technology constantly monitors and blocks these DNS threats, ensuring you're protected even when you're not thinking about it. With Avast solutions, you can browse, shop, and socialize online with peace of mind. So how can you fortify your digital fort? First, stay informed about the basics of internet safety. Second, let Avast be your shield. If you're using Avast, make sure you're on the latest version for optimal DNS protection. Just activate the option Enable DNS DOH scanning as shown in the background screenshot and you are all set. My thanks to LUIS CORRONS for his excellent article on the Avast blog. You'll find his article at the link listed. Stay safe and keep your digital life secure by updating to the latest version of Avast. Happy and safe browsing. You'll even find this protection in the free version of Avast, which is what I use. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye and thanks for watching and listening.